Want to watch free channels on your Samsung Smart TV without cable? In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step setup so you can start watching live TV using an antenna. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect the antenna. First, locate the RF input on the back of your Samsung Smart TV. Plug your antenna cable into this RF port. Twist it gently to make sure it is tight and secure. Step 2. Turn on the TV and open the home menu. Now turn on your TV. Press the home button on your Samsung remote. This will open the main menu, also called Smart Hub. Step 3. Set the source to TV. Next, go to the source option. Select TV as your input source. This allows your TV to access and detect over-the-air channels. Step 4. Start Auto Channel Scan. Go to Settings. Then open Broadcasting and select Auto Program. Important note, if broadcasting is grayed out, make sure your TV is set to TV mode, not HDMI or any other input. Step 5. Choose Signal Type. Now you'll be asked to choose the signal type. Air for over-the-air antenna channels. Cable for cable channels. Both if you want to scan everything available. Select the option that matches your setup. Step 6. Wait for the scan to finish. Now, the TV will automatically scan for all available channels. This process may take a few minutes, so just wait until it completes. Step 7. Start watching channels. Once the scan is finished, you're ready to watch. Use the channel up and down buttons on your remote to browse through available channels. And that's it. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and drop a comment if you need help with anything else.